Let's tour Vienna housed by Wyndham Hotel here in beautiful Austria. The hotel is nestled in the heart of Dornbirn. Unfortunately, we arrived late on Sunday, so the shops were closed. You enter into a modern design with tasteful decor. Now let's tour inside the room. You got a comfortable bed, a desk, LG Smart TV, and a USB charger. But the room has very poor dim lighting. The old room key gives you after-hours hotel access, but is very difficult to use. The bathroom has a nicer finish with 3-in-1 refillable toiletries. Sauna is located on the 3rd floor. You have to contact the front desk and allow 1 hour to warm up. The hotel has an excellent restaurant, definitely the highlight of our stay. We had a very nice dinner service with very friendly wait staff. It's a buffet style with salads, desserts, pumpkin soup, spinach bowl, vegetables, rice, pork, fish, and of course we had to try Turkish schnitzel in Austria, and it's very good. The Lion Tour Group gave complimentary drinks again for the New Year holidays. The breakfast buffet is also very good. Selection of cold and cold foods with a variety of breads and drinks.